Guys, I am back. Yes, earlier than expected because I usually wait like a month and a half or two to post, but I am here, bigger than ever. I'm currently 31 weeks. Hopefully I have this baby before 2 months from now. I don't want to get to 40 weeks. If I do, it is what it is, but last baby I had, I lasted till 38 and he was completely perfect. So I'm hoping I only get to 38 because I don't want to get bigger, you know what I mean? I just dyed my hair black, by the way. That's why it might look a little different. And I did a little bit more this time on my makeup. I put a little pink. You know, usually I do nothing. I have no nails. Ew. So yeah, I was gonna say I am here with a lot of comfy sets from Fashion Nova. These sets are my favorite because you can wear like the top piece with a different type of pants. You can wear the pants with a different type of top. So you can really play around with them. I just ordered a lot of comfy ones. There's some cute ones, you know, tight ones and stuff like that, but they're still stretchy. So they fit my big belly. And I did order most of them in medium, not large or extra large, because I do want to wear them after I give birth. You know, that's the goal, to keep the clothes, not give them away. By the way, I cannot wait to get rid of all the pregnancy and maternity clothing. Yeah, so let's get to it. Let's start it. So here is the first one. It is actually a set of shorts with the t-shirt. Yes, it looks bigger because of my belly, but it's actually a super loose fit, yet not too big. Okay, this is how it looks from the side. It's really, really cute. I'm gonna show you how you would look if you didn't have a pregnant belly. This is how it would look. Ignore this part. I love the pants, by the way, because they do have a thick waistband, which support my belly, and in case you have any, you know, chichos, rolls going on, this is gonna hold it up and not show anything. Yeah, comfortable yet cute. It comes in all the colors, so go ahead and order every other color. I think I ordered a different color as well, like gray or black. I'll show you. I knew it. I did order it in gray, which is to me one of my favorites besides black. It goes with everything more. These biker shorts you can use with whatever cute shirt you want in the daily basis because of the colors, you know what I mean? So this, I like it more than the pink, for sure. I know the shirt's a little bit long, so if you don't like that, you can always play around with it and like tie it here, like tuck it in so you can see your shape of your body. If that bothers you too much, you can always tie it up here. It really is very versatile. So these two are a 10 out of 10. Okay, so like I've been seeing this style for a while now on social media, like a rocker style vibe, more like chrome hearts vibe. And I wanted to try it so bad, and I'm so glad I ordered this. I love it. This is size medium, but it is oversized. So it looks like a large, but that's the style, so I'm not upset at it. You can really tell I'm pregnant. It comes with the leggings, full leggings. And this is actually one shirt. It's not two shirts. It's attached to the, I guess, to the arm. I love this. Like, it brings me back to my rocker stages. I did have rocker stages. So this one, the material I am in love with. Just it looks funny because of my pregnant belly. It's huge, but when you don't have a belly, it looks even better. Like, look at the material on this. I'm gonna show you up close. It's like silky, so super soft and shiny, and it's ripped. So it's gonna be stretchy. This is size medium. Even though my belly looks, you know, kind of weird, I'm still gonna wear it. I'm still gonna rock it with some little heels, short heels, and a little purse. And since it's so shiny and golden, like, you don't even need to wear any accessories with this. Look what I got. Another one. I don't know if you can take it. I know you want to see me naked. No, you don't want to see me naked right now. This does not look as good as the black one because I just love black. But I do love the style anyway, so I'm going to be wearing this a lot with my white Air Forces. Not going to lie, the favorite part of this outfit is the leggings. Look how stretchy they are. This is size medium. And they go all the way up. That means when I get rid of this belly, these are going to be snatching my body. And I'm excited for that. Super excited. I don't know how I'm feeling about this one with my pregnant body, but it is comfortable. I love the detail here that it shows kind of like chest, but it's not really showing anything. The leggings go all the way up to here. I'm just covering it up with the shirt, but the leggings go all the way up. The shirt is pretty nice. I love it, honestly. I just don't love my body at the moment. I'm learning to love it, but I don't extremely love it. But this one is cute. I like it, and it's comfortable. It's a gray color, which is one of the musts. So this one's is good. Okay, but when I tell you, I literally love this set. I love this set. It's so delicate and pretty. My boobs are right there, but I don't mind it because, I don't know, it's just too pretty to mind. This one I think I ordered large, I think, but it's, what? And it does not fit me tight at all. It is stretchy too, but it's not tight. And I love the two-tone, like the two-tone just with the light turquoise and the dark navy blue. I love it. Look how it looks. It's my pregnant belly. It's a little see-through. I didn't notice it was a little see-through. So I did go ahead and order another two-piece with the t-shirts, but this one, instead of shorts, it's a long pant. Flare bottom. They are super long. If you're a short girl, you will need heels, or you can just cut them. I've cut them before, like, there's no biggie. They just make the pants so, you know, for tall girls sometimes, but it is flare bottom, and I love it because it's comfortable and it's black. Nothing else to say. Oh, and I also ordered it in this color. I just don't want to try it on because it's the same one basically, and I'm sweating over here. Pregnancy hormones. This one is like a sexy sporty set. It has pockets on the side. It is like a sport grayish material. I don't know how to explain it. I love it though. Even with the belly, it looks kind of cute. So without the belly, it would look amazing, I feel. Let me fix the waistband. The shirt is comfortable. Look at that. And look at the bottom. It does have a slit on each side, so oh my god, this belly's big. And this one I ordered large, just loose in general. Let me show you how it is here. Yeah, it's just a loose fit outfit that I wanted because I am so preggo. Sometimes you just don't want to be wearing tight stuff, and that's the reason I ordered. The pants fit amazing. Biker shorts. See, it looks actually cute from the back. It has a hoodie and everything, so it does give it a little twist, the outfit. So that was it for today's haul. There was actually a piece that didn't fit me and I didn't show you guys. So that's all the comfy sets that I ordered. I love them. Honestly, there wasn't one that I didn't like as much. Pretty much everything. I am super excited to give birth. I've said this a million times, like this time I'm not nervous. I'm not like, oh my god, I want to be there already. I want to be in the hospital giving birth already. Yes. And I'm looking forward to making all the regular videos, making my body bounce back, even though it might take a while. I don't care how long it takes. It is possible. I know everyone says don't go too hard. You're a mom now. Like, your body does. I get it. Yes, it does change. And a lot of girls, you know, get bigger. I got bigger. But I know it's possible to go not back to how you were, but you know, get healthy, get fit again. It is possible. And to wear all these Fashion Nova clothes, even better. Like, you look even better if you're snatched. So I need this snatched body back. Go ahead and leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Tell me more. I don't know, anything else that you want to know next time, or any questions you girls about the outfits. I'm always responding to all the comments, or any mommy questions actually, because I'm a mom now, so I can give you tips on stuff from my experience. Not what you should do, but you know what I did from my experience. I love you guys, and I will see you next time in the next video.